Let's finish up with number 8. Fill in the blanks in the table below. Compound name is aluminum sulfide. The formula is Al2S3, right? The aluminum has a charge of +3. Sulfide has a charge of -2, so cross those charges down. That'll give you Al2S3. Cesium carbonate. I gotta search the periodic table for the polyatomic ion called carbonate. It says it's a CO3 on my polyatomic ion sheet. It also says that carbonate has a charge of -2. So I need a total of 2 plus charges in order to balance that out. I am using cesium here for the cation, but I see that cesium is in main group 1. So cesium is only providing a +1 charge. I need total, overall, I need 2 plus charges. So how can I get that with cesium being a +1? I'll just have 2 cesium atoms. So CS2CO3. Then PbCl2, right? Lead is one of those metals that forms more than one charge, so I'm going to use the stock system here. I see that I have 2 chloride ions, right here, 2 chlorides. That subscript 2 tells me there are 2 chlorides. I know that each chloride is going to have a charge of -1, and if I have 2 of those chlorides, I'm going to have 2 -1 charges for a total of -2. I need to balance out that -2 with this single lead atom. So that means this one lead atom is providing both of those positive charges. So that means that this is the type of lead that forms a +2 charge. So the stock system name here is going to be lead 2 chloride. Then I look here, say in the parentheses, that's polyatomic ion. PO4, that's polyatomic ion. So now I go and I search through my polyatomic ion sheet and I find the polyatomic ion that is NH4. It is ammonium. I find PO4 on my polyatomic ion sheet and I see that that is phosphate. So just put those two together because none of those vary in charge. Ammonium is always a +1. Phosphate is always a -3. And so I don't have to use the stock system here. I can just say ammonium phosphate. Then lastly, hydroiodic acid. Now that there's an IC there, okay, it's an IC, ic acid. So ic replaces IDE, okay, in a monatomic. How do I know it's a monatomic? Because there's the prefix hydro. This hydro means that whatever the anion was, it ended in IDE. So that was iodide. Iodide. The iodide ion has a -1 charge, so that means I must only need 1 hydrogen to balance out my singly charged iodide.